This video is about doing calculations on AppShed. I've just got this very simple layout here where I've got an input box and I've got an output box. And I've got two buttons, one says double, one says triple. The idea is I should be able to put 5 in here, click on this and get 10 out here, or click on this and get 15 out here. And if I put 7 in here, if I click on this, I'll get 14 out here, and I will get 21 out here if I click on this. So let's do this. This is something that we have to carry out using Blockly actions. So again, we edit our button, and the button usually is set to email, but we don't want that. We want to have Blockly. Now, in Blockly, obviously we need to first of all get our input. So I'm going to scroll down and I can find input all the way down at the bottom here. And we're also going to want at some point, right at the end, while we're still here, to set the output to something. So these are our two stages. So what we want to do for the double button is we want to multiply this figure in input by 2. So I think that's going to be to do with maths. So I'm going to drag over this maths box. I'm going to change it to multiply. And then I'm also going to want a number, which I put in here. And it's going to be 2 times. And then I'm going to drag and drop this. And what you'll see is it doesn't actually work. And that's because what's coming in here comes in as letters and words, and we need to tell the computer that we're going to instead treat it as a number. So I'm going to click on convert, and I'm going to say string, which is what this is, text, to int. Int means a number, a whole number. The full word is integer. There we are. So this will then grab that input, convert it to a number, and now we can plug it in to double it. And then all we have to do is put that on the end there, and it should set the output to be double the input. Let's see if it works. Save, and let's put in 56, double. Navigate. 112, it works. So I'm just going to do that really quickly for the triple button, so we've got it all done. So edit, this is quick now, action, change the action down to be a Blockly action. I'm going to expand Blockly so that we can see it. I'm going to go into the app variables, and I'm going to need the input, which will be right down at the bottom. And I'm going to get that, and then app variables, and again I'm going to need the output here. I want the maths block, and I'm going to choose multiply, maths again to get the number, 3, there we are, 3. And then we need to convert this because it's coming in as the wrong type of data. And, not int to string, string to int, like that. That goes in there, that goes in there. Save. And just as I promised at the beginning, if I click on 5 there, and then I say double 5, we get 10. If I say triple 5, we get 15. If I put in 7, double 7, 14, triple 7 is 21. So that works. This is how we can do our currency converter. We can do more advanced things with it, and we'll need to have a rate of interest, a rate of currency conversion. So I would just use 1.5 for UK pounds to euros, but you might look up some other rates. I'll also show you how to get those rates live from the internet so that you don't need to do that.